Okay, so here's I'm recording this. Here's a little bit of an update of on my previous trade on ES. I took half here at VWAP after the PMI news. I still have my target on 49.07 and a half for the rest. Now I have pretty much a free trade because I took half here, so whatever risk I have here, I'm already, even if I get stopped out, I have a little profit. So I'm gonna leave my stop up there and hopefully we pull all the way back here. NQ, I got stopped out right before the open, then I re-entered, took a little profit, then re-entered again at 64 and also looking for that pullback. So far everything looks like we're getting that pullback. It's ADSPD is down, ticks starting to get negative, volatility is picking up, US dollar is picking up. So we'll see if we get there, we get there. If not, we know where our risk is. We usually get some resistance at the volatility trigger for SPX for 0DTE, and that is 48.80. And we are now at 48.88. So notice how it's hard for price to get below that. So watch it. If it goes below 80, then we're gonna get a little bit of a pickup in speed to the downside. So watch 48.80 on SPX, which is coming in 6 more points. And sometimes we just get there and then it bounces right there. So we got single prints here in the overnight session at between 12 and 10. So that's gonna be a little bit of initial support, and then if we get through, we're gonna get to this level probably. So ES wants to go down, but NQ is holding, so it's not letting, it's holding ES up. So we need NQ to pull back a little. Because everything else looks good. Volatility's up, Dow and Russell are both coming down. NQ is holding this thing up. Oh, 48.80, Eddie. Sorry, I didn't see your question till now. There's also 4900. It's a huge magnet for SPX. So, you know, even if we get a pullback, eventually, I think we're gonna turn around and attempt to go back to 4900. Okay, that level I mentioned before, it changed. So now it's 48.55. So 48.80, scratch that. Man, those earning plays, that's why I stopped doing them. They're too stressful. I used to do a lot of those, but it's just too much. All right, 10 a.m. Period is coming up in a minute and a half. I'm watching. I want this area to be taken and this low volume node, the single prints at 11 to be cleaned up so that we can move lower. I would love to see a move down all the way to the 82 level. All right, B period just opened up. Oh my god, Netflix keeps ripping higher. Jeez. All right, we're breaking up now, breaking down. Okay, now testing those single prints. So what I'm gonna do is because I already can lock in my a profit for my day, I'm gonna move my stop down, my take profit down, and move my stop to above that low volume area. So I'm locking in what I got from the other half plus another 1.5, and then see if I can trail my stop if they can bring this thing lower, but I might exit around here at the 49.06 area. The only reason I did that is because we broke below this and we're leaving another low volume area here. So if I see that we start getting about 915 again, I might just tighten my stop. And we can see better on this chart. You can see that low volume node right there, right here. You can see way better. And ideally, I want all this move to 80, to the 82. So if I see that like volatility keeps rising, the dollar keeps rising, everything keeps pushing, I might just move my target down. But I mean, if I get 25 points, that'd be awesome. Plus whatever I got before. Did anybody get on that short? There was plenty of time there. Nobody? Nice. Oh, RTY is doing great too. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop above the B high for now. Nice. All right, now I'm moving my stop to developing value area low. Looking in 5 more points. Now when we get to this, if we get to this area, 906, which was my original target, I might tighten my stops more, depending on what I see. Now I'm seeing buying here. Just a little bit of buying here. Okay, I'm out of that trade. That was 10.5 points total.